Hey guys, it's Amy with to Plan, and we are back with another sticker book flip through. So you can see here that this is one of the sticker books being released by the Happy Planner. This is part of their spring 2021 release. And so I picked up this book at Michael's. I'm not sure where else it will be available, but I did pick this one up at Michael's. I will include in the description the SKU number and a link to this sticker book from the Michaels website, so you can look at it if you are interested in it. But this book is Save Now, Spend Later. It has 1,170 stickers, and it says Save Now, Spend Later. So this is a budget sticker book, obviously. And right off the bat, the colors here are definitely my jam. I love the colors here, just on the front. So I'm excited to get into this and see what it looks like. Okay, so the first page here are decorative boxes that fit into the vertical layout. Your future looks so bright. Don't give up what you want most for what you want now. Oh, that's perfect. I love that. Kind words cost nothing. Know your worth. Daydreaming is free. Oh, that's cute. I like that one. Okay. Buy less, choose well. Right, and there's some functional boxes in here, just kind of mixed in as well. Right, so like this color. Please, Happy Planner, more of this color, this kind of eggplant color. I love it. Right, again, I love the colors here. It's just a nice kind of blend. It just is to me, very pleasing to my eye. And I know everyone has a different taste in terms of color, but I just really love this one. All right, so this is a Payday sheet with gold foiling. So these have little money, dollars, and then this is just a piggy bank. All right, bills due, or bill due if you just have the singular, right? And again, this page is just gorgeous to me. I love the colors here. And then the gold foiling version of it, right? Super cute. Okay, these are the little icons, so you can designate different things. Here's, Wi-Fi. I would use this for gas, and here electricity is a little light bulb, and then savings, I would assume, or payday things like that. And then here's credit card, right? Then home related stuff, gas, car, just the dollar sign, and then shopping carts. And then these are super cute, all right? It's the same kind of thing except with gold foiling. So we have TV, phone, the dollar sign, and then these are shopping bags with a little heart in it, and then little tiny planner stickers. I need a bunch of this, a whole sheet of just this. And then here is shopping trip, coffee run, eating out, a couple of different big labels or areas where you might spend money, right? Repairs, emergency, medical. All right, and then movies, brunch, weekend trip. And then here is where you can list your own category with the dollar amount and mark whether it's paid or not. Right, another sheet of that one. This one says savings transfer with gold foil. Okay, weekly spending with a breakdown each day for how much you spent that day. Second page of that one. Then here is a no spend challenge that you can just put within your weekly spread and just mark off the days that you were able to achieve your no spend challenge. And then here is a weekly habit tracker. You can use this for budget. It does have the little credit card looking thing in there, but you can also just ignore that and use it as a habit tracker too. Right, these are cute. So it's kind of a rainbow themed 3D box that you can just do whatever you like with it. Create headings or whatever. The gold foil version of it. Don't forget paid. This is on clear sticker paper. This one's a repeat on clear as well. All right, here are some quotes. These are all kind of centered around budgeting, things that cost nothing or things like that. Right, and then here's another on clear paper. There is magic in saving. I really like that one. Quality over quantity. Yes, for sure. And then this one is account balances. So for checking, savings, retirement, and emergency fund, that's really good. I like that a lot. All right, page number 2 of that one. And then here, again, you can just designate a dollar amount. Right? And then here, just little circle icons with the dollar sign. So you can just kind of mark as needed. All right, that's a super cute book. Again, I love the colors in this book. It is Super cute. I'm not a huge fan of rainbows. Sorry, Happy Planner. Just not a huge fan of rainbows, but this definitely my style in terms of colors. So keep it up. I'm loving this whole release. Like everything is just like very, for me, classy and just beautiful. All right. So this is Spin Now, Save spin now, save later. Okay, you can see like how my mind works. Save now, spin later. So I hope you enjoyed that flip through. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. And until the next video, bye guys.